Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we will be discussing about how to get Discord Active Developer Badge 2024. Before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already, since we are regularly uploading this type of videos, so make sure you do that. Alright, so here as you can see, currently we have some information related to Discord. I have just gone through all of that, and the point to be noted here is that the key takeaway, the Active Developer Badge is available to any developer or team that owns at least one active application and verified and unverified alike. So the app should be verified or unverified. For your app to be considered active, it need to be having executed an application command in last 30 days. So the guys who are in the development section can get it only, fortunately, and unfortunately for the people who do not own any application cannot be able to get the developer badge. So that is the key takeaway for this article, and I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions or confusions, you can let us know in the comments below. I will be getting back to you as soon as possible, trying to resolve your query. So that is it for this video. Consider subscribing and liking our video, and do not forget to share with your friends.